Okay.
So as I mentioned, you will have a total of 20 minutes,
Mm-hmm.
15 minutes for the presentation and 5 minutes for the Q&A.
Okay.
Yeah, you can start sharing your screen now.
Okay. Can you see the screen? Hello?
Yeah, it's loading with it. Yes, it's open.
Oh, open?
Yeah, it's open. You can start.
Okay. So, hi, hello everyone. My name is Vidhiben Ashokbhai Vanani, and today I will present my capstone project, the Smart Roommate Matching System. This project is an AI powered web platform that helps users to find compatible roommates and suitable rental accommodations. The system combines modern full stack development. Today, today's presentation, I will cover the problem statement, motivation, background, and after that, we will discuss on finding demo, and after that, conclusion and future works. So the finding a compatible roommate is often more difficult than finding a place to live. Most existing housing platforms focus mainly on rent, location, and room availability. However, the successful roommate relationships beyond on many additional factors such as sleeping habits and cleanness and communications. So because of these factors are often ignored, many roommate arrangements results in conflicts and dissatisfaction. This problem motivated me to develop a smart solution that focuses on compatibility rather than just focusing on housing availability. So the primary goal of this project is to improve the roommate selection process through intelligent matching. Instead of relying only on manual searches, the system analyzes user preferences and identifies the individuals with similar lifestyles. By using AI-driven recommendations, the platform aims to increase user satisfaction, reduce conflicts, and create more successful long-term roommate relationships. Before developing the solution, existing research and technologies were reviewed. So, right now, traditional rental platforms are strictly property focused, and they prioritize location, price, and availability, but they completely ignore roommate compatibility. This lead to higher the conflicts and lower overall satisfaction in shared living. So this brings us to more major research gap. Uh, is missing intelligent adaptable system that can actually analyze lifestyle and behavior to match compatible roommates. While some AI model exist, they are often too rigid or too complex to practically implement. So ultimately, this gap leaves with serious limitation, resulting in pure lifestyle matching and frequent early leases terminations. So, server-related studies provide valuable insights during the development. First is a Next Connect. This is focuses directly on roommate compatibility, matching using algorithm like a KNN and a genetic algorithm. While it's a strong at accurate allocation, but it suffers from limited real-world scalability. Next is a AI in real estate. This is a look at a border process automation. It is a great for improving operational efficiency, but it is a completely miss the mark on actual roommate matching. And the final is a AI-based smart recommendation system. It is a provide a solid foundation for generating optimized recommendation, but lack a specific implementation for a housing needs. By analyzing this, we can leverage their strength like a Next Connects matching framework, while directly addressing their scalability and implementations the limit. In the proposed smart roommate matching system combines modern web technologies with an AI-based recommendation approach to provide a secure and a personalized roommate matching. The platform is developed using Next.js for the front end and Python, FastAPI for the backend, PostgreSQL for the data storage, and JWT authentication to ensure the user access and section management. The development process follows a structured methodology, consistency of requirement analysis, system design implementation, and testing and validation. For roommate recommendation, the system applies the cosine similarity algorithm to compare user preferences and calculate compatibility scores, enabling personalized and accurate roommate suggestions. So after defining this approach, the next step was the begun the overall system architecture and workflow. In this slide shows the overall architecture of the system. Users interact with the front end to create a profile management, preferences, browser listing, and communications with potential roommates. The backend process requests and handles authentication, recommendation, and generation and messaging functionality. User information is stored securely in the PostgreSQL. The recommendation engine analyzes profile data that calculates completely scores to generate personalized roommate suggestions. After deciding the architecture, the platform was implemented. So the smart roommate matching system was implemented using modern full stack architecture. The front end was developed using Next.js, providing an interactive and responsive users interface from management, real listing, and roommate matching. The backend was built using Python FastAPI, which offers a high performance API for the handling authentication, user management, messaging, and recommendations. The application uses PostgreSQL as a list. It's a relational database to securely store user profiles, rental information, preferences, and communication. To be generate roommate recommendation, the system applies cosine similarity algorithm, which compares user preferences and identifies compatible matches in real time. Oh, sorry. Yeah. The data collection process focused on gathering information required to evaluate roommate compatibility and support a rental management. So during profile creation, user provide details such as lifestyle, cleanness, sleeps time, communication, personal interest. In additional rental related information including location, budget and accommodation preference is also collected. So all this information is securely stored in a PostgreSQL and server as a foundation for the recommendation engine. By collecting these structured attributes, the system can compare users' profiles and generate personalized roommate recommendation based on compatibility. After the collecting and organizing the data, the next step was analyze using compatibility algorithm. So how the collected user data is analyzed to generate personalized roommate recommendation. The process begins with user profile data, where information such as lifestyle and all personal interest and all other preferences. Next, data goes through pre-processing where it's cleaned, validated, and standardized to ensure consistency. After that, processed information and convert in a vectors, allowing each user's profile be represented in a numeric format. The CSA, which compares these features, sectors, and calculates a compatibility score between two users based on their shared preferences. Once the score are calculated, potential roommates are ranked from their highest to the lowest similarity score, and the most compatible user are recommended. This data analysis process enables the system to provide an intelligent personalized roommate matches that can improve compatibility and reduce potential living conflicts. In the findings section, the evaluation produced several encouraging results. The system achieved a matching accuracy of 93%, indicating strong performance in identifying compatible roommate pairs. In additional metrics included 89.2% of precision, 87.6% of recall, and 88.4% of F1 score, demonstrating balanced recommendation quality. Recommendations were generated in a less than 1.5 seconds, so providing a smooth user experience. And overall user reported positive experiences with profile creation, authentication and compatibility based matching. After the reviewing the results, I will now demonstrate the system in action. So I'll start the demo video.
Vidhi, can you increase the volume? Yeah, you can carry on if it's not possible.
Hello, am I audible? Hello,
Yeah,
am
you
I
are
audible?
audible, but
Uh,
the volume on the video is quite small. If you can increase, but it's okay if you cannot.
Hello, is it all audible?
Yeah, you are audible. Just the volume on the video that you have,
Huh?
that's quite low. So if you can increase it, that would be great.
This is the highest volume in the video,
Oh,
so
okay,
I
okay. You
cannot.
can carry on.
Okay, yeah, perfect.
Hi, Vidhi. You have 5 minutes to conclude your presentation. Hi, Vidhi. I think your mic is off.
Hello, am I
Yeah,
audible?
yeah, yeah. It's audible.
Oh, perfect. So, give me a sec. So, in the conclusion, the smart roommate matching system successfully combines rental management and AI-based recommendation techniques. The platform provides intelligent roommate suggestions using cosine similarity algorithm and achieved 93% of matching accuracy and generate recommendation under 1.5 seconds. And for the future enhancement, the platform can be expected to support multiple countries and a larger housing market. Machine learning model can be introduced to learn from user feedback and improve recommendations quality over the time. Additional features such as personality analysis, NLP-based preferences matching, and dedicated mobile application could further enhance user experience. So this is the references were constructed throughout the project or to support our research, the system design decision and implementation process. So yeah, thank you so much for your time and attention.
Thank you, Vidhi, for your presentation.
Yeah.
Do anyone have any questions for Vidhi? Yeah. So, there are no questions. We'll move on.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you, Vidhi.
Thank you.